Welcome back to Aside Hall, the senior brother of all the television programs when they're inside Obodo the world, where they discuss all the issues where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi, Oga Eze Eluchie, and Daniel Akilami, two strong public affairs analysts there inside studio, and we discuss the first stories where we carry come from this weekend. The first one get to do with the new video when Boko Haram Jaguda people release. The other one get to do with the crisis when they inside the PDP. The third one get to do with Oga Jibrin and case of 2014 when just they come up, and the final one get to do with the oil wells when they discover inside the Lasa Maja. When we read that, so we go break and make everybody understand the one we mean by the oil wells. And make we come from this angle of Oga Jibrin. Some people don't they wonder say, now wow, why he be saying 2016 after Oga Jibrin release some kind of statement, now EFCC can't remember say himself get one case of 2014 when we say then go look. People don't already come and call the talk say, it be like say this war against corruption, we are not fighting corruption, we are fighting corrupt persons. Because it be like say, if you want fight corruption, you know they know name, you know they know party, you know they know face, you know they know friendship. But if you want fight some corrupt persons, you go select them, put out. And from the 21st of July, when we say Oga Jibrin, the waiting happen for the floor of the National Assembly, House of Reps don't happen. Nobody don't already look this particular issue. Nobody they look the issues when in the race. People they do race say, why you go talk am? The party call am say making no talk. He submit information, give DSS, police, ICPC, EFCC, but nobody don't call the
Action,
speaker.
exactly.
But he be like say case of 2014. Now they come talk say they want begin the look now. Oh guys, I like to restart with you.
Yes, sir.
You think say this particular one, is it not be the same way of say not be hide and seek with the play?
My brother, nothing mega. That they talk, nothing they happen. The thing be say, this man where they make noise, this Jibrin where they make noise. No be there days for more than 12 years. For democracy, now you bring your own idea, say what you want for your people, then go join them, do budget. Who they prepare budget? Now ministry. Who they screen them? Now the house go screen them. But who they can't read them? Execute them. Now the presidency. So when you begin point saying now only the house leader, now he do this. You talk of speaker, you talk of deputy, you skip. You don't mention the majority leader. We be another very influential person. Begin mention other people. You look this man well, you know say the man get hidden agenda. No be issue of pardon. This is what they call pardon. What is pardon? Pardon now, see what in this in the cost. I'm not gonna bring and come my place. Now that a member of the house go tell ministry, say now this person will give the job. No. If the person passed to get ministry job for ministry give him. What I'm trying to say is that this man where they make noise. Maybe and he started making this noise when they sack him from being chairman of the appropriation committee. Now that's the when they sack him like this, he say, okay, so you don't sack me, all the things where they chop, you won't come out from me, nobody go chop again. They begin sing, begin sing, and the song where they sing is an expired song.
Okay.
Might give you one example.
No, make I bring this question.
Yes.
It be like say the thing they worry me, and I just say they worry Nigerians because it be like say this party now.
Yes.
Maybe because they inside our constitution, or because of say the speaker and a lawyer, we want they try they paint and make it be like say na good thing. Because for example, like you talk, if this thing na 14 naira, you can't talk say this 14 naira something now. Make them bring and come your particular place.
Good.
When we say somehow, you don't even feel justify the reason why they bring and come your place, or the reason why the thing na 14 naira.
Yes.
Okay, maybe we even come up pardon.
But the president and the ministry congress say we go take and go your place true.
Make we come out the word pardon. Make we come out the word pardon. The reality.
Yes.
Reality. Make we check the reality.
No be crime.
No be crime.
You see my people, my take be this. See, this issue of pardon or no pardon is just the technical aspect. When you see people where they steal from national treasury.
Thief na thief.
Yes.
Thief.
We agree.
Clearly na thief.
Yes.
Whether pardon or no pardon.
Either they rob am with different name, they
embezzlement, misappropriation, siphon,
whatever they like to call it.
Yes.
What is happening within this budget issue, now the despicable thing.
You speak
very
English.
shameful.
Very shameful, despicable.
Yes.
But if government not dey ready to bring them to book or to begin dey open the book of budget and pardon, according to chapter 1 from Abdulminu Jibrin, if government not dey ready, make we leave them. But people know say all the things wey dey happen for that place no dey okay at all. Now this case now pass EFCC alone. This case pass EFCC. Jibrin, he don't do his own. Me, I believe, say, according to lawyers, say, he will come to equity must come with clean hands.
True.
That one na him own personal body. But he don't speak, he don't sing. He don't sing like Sparrow.
Don't give Nigerians information.
The lyrics wey don release, make we use those lyrics.
Exactly.
May we get to the bottom line of this padding. Whatever name they call it, either they call it adjusting or whatever new name they want to call it, there are criminal activities going on in this place. But the issue now be say, Abdulminu Jibrin Dogara make EFCC, make police probe their present and past, all of them, not Aminu alone, not Jibrin alone. Make them probe all of them. Any file where they get that link to all these issues they've been doing for years. Let's get to the root of this thing now.
But we getting to the root of this particular matter, at least we will need to see the science. Okay, going by the reality on ground right now.
Yes.
Just like, okay, Abdulminu released this particular accusation when? 21 of when? Last month.
After the second.
After the second.
From
but then,
Chairman of
make also be in mind, say, in stock, say, look, in getting evidences available.
Yes.
Where they on ground.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Say, you notice, say, just as Oga talk, say, make we do it, make it, but say, would they see the reality of, say, we really want to interrogate the people when they involved? We don't say, if I say these people, make we consider this person, make we go ahead with this person. You don't to blow whistle.
My brother, we go there very careful for this country. If we truly want democracy, we go there very careful. When this government first come, they begin to say judiciary do this, judiciary they bad, judiciary do this. They don't make all of us begin hate judiciary. Soon enough, they go shift, go to Senate. Say Senate now thief, all of them armed robber.
They're the forged
now they good. Now they don't go to house. So the one man could begin disrespect the judiciary, disrespect the legislature. So now only angels, now in there for executive. When they're going to use EFC, they harass people anyhow. We can't talk with that.
But then that
I tell you, democracy for America. You get one example for America. One senator of Alaska, they go put one bridge, what they call bridge to nowhere. For the American national budget. The man say he won't do something for young people. Then go build bridge. He said, but this bridge, nobody, you must put that. If you don't put that bridge, this budget no go pass. Now they go build that bridge, bridge over $100 million, he enter in place. Bridge to nowhere. Nobody live for that place. But some tourists, they go there now to go just enjoy the place, come back. Well, this party where we talking, it is no good name. So this phone they cost 100 naira. I said, okay, I want me to come put that phone for my own village so that my people will send me come go no say I do something. Okay, then you tell me say to put that phone for my village instead of Abuja, it go cost 150 naira. I said, okay, if you don't put that phone for that budget, you don't go work. And the thing be say, now these members of the House and the Senate, now then they reach the grassroots more. If they commit any other crime, if they steal, go steal. But not be say this kind of thing what they do now, where ministry write the budget. Presidency and budget office for executive proofread them. Say this thing now okay. They can't go even Buhari himself. Now he can't read this budget for the whole Nigeria, for the whole world. So you can't begin to say, okay, no, this secretary, this member of the house, where puts this pin for him place, he must be arrested. He must be doing this. Which kind of talk with that? You go first arrest the president. Make you say if they want serious, make they go clear the budget office for the presidency because they bring this budget. Make they go all those ministries. But we not be children again.
Guys, may I come from this angle? Yes. The 2016 budget and talks in a budget of change.
Yes.
But this budget just be like say, it don't carry any change come. Because from the start, controversy say budget loss, budget no loss, budget miss, budget no miss. Then bring one budget, they carry second budget. Now this one can't come out, can't they involve the people? At the time when they complain, say we don't get any money whatsoever. At the time when Nigerians they complain, say they need things when we say we will use get confidence, say this government really they committed to bringing change to Nigeria. Who can they see this particular one? I want to ask one question.
Yes.
What will be the difference? Now, God Daniel go answer this one.
Okay.
What will be the difference between we talk say okay, PDP rule for 16 years, they not do us well.
Right. We
can't continue the same way when we say then talk say then they rule, then they pad. We still can't continue that for inside this particular government. Another government of change. That party when they pad before, under 16 years when we talk say pad, it can't be like say no be crime.
Well, I think the difference don't dey too far like that. The problem be say our people expect much from this government. Where be say people never see enough of those expectations and the promise where the government can't carry enter power. But as it be now, at least we see say
the change all the change na pardon. The change where they promise us na pardon.
That's another dimension. But the thing now be say, know how the thing look now. the economy dey bad.
Very bad.
No
Yes.
job and inflation, but this government is still like a rescue effort compared to where we dey come from.
You sure?
If you look at all the ogbonge stealing wey dey happen that time, subsidy fraud, all sort of things that were impunity. Now, where we dey now, this government don dey start to dey tackle those things small small. The only thing be say we never see the results.
Which government?
This much.
This one wey dey now?
Some of these people wey dey involved in some of these things, look at the money wey they suppose spend to buy arm for this Boko Haram war. Some individual gather share this money spend. So before now, nobody fit touch those people. So if we see some effort wey the government don do, make we give them kudos. So they may not be perfect for now, but in some areas they've tried. But where the issue now be say, this government get 4 years. More than 1 year has gone.
1 year, 3 months.
Yeah, so if they not sit up now, if they not do more and go back, look at the promise where they give the people, does the paper where the paper be, does if they not they ready to does the confirm report, make them does their own promise, where they give Nigeria, make them does look at the thing again, time they go. The empowerment welfare, they promise Nigerians, they there. The school feeding, they there. So make them
The
sit
whole
up.
promise na party.
But we cannot really say,
this one na
we cannot say all these things are their fault. Look at the economy now.
No, but the truth be
Look
say,
at the crisis in Niger
The
Delta.
economy.
So the revenue has gone down.
But these were visible.
So these are some of the challenges that this government never expected. So we cannot completely blame them for the crisis.
Who do you blame?
They inherited a very bad economy. In fact, the thing bad so that even the people that were living, they knew that disaster was around the corner. But as soon as these people come enter, they put all their energy, they put all their idea to make sure they turn this thing around. But the fact say we not see result now, should not mean say we should crucify them.
My brother, wait to listen.
But guys, you need to just hold on because that talk you will talk out. Okay. But we'll do it very quickly. Go for this break. When we come back, the matter continues as it is hot.
welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Ezugwu Chukwudi Nkubi, Oga Eze Eluchie, and Daniel Akilami still inside studio. And we will discuss 4 of the hottest stories inside the Obodo Nigeria won't carry come from this weekend. Number 1 get to do with the new video when Boko Haram Jaguda people they release. We look say this one a distraction. Abi we go need study this video to lose no say okay oh this is not the time to rescue these particular girls or whether they will ever come back home. Number 2 get to do with the PDP and the fact say some kind kasala don't enter inside the midst of the party and it be like say we don't get any opposition inside Obodo Nigeria. The 3rd one get to do with Oga Abdulmumin Jubrin. The man when we say you know they sing since the 21st of July say some kind wuru enter inside the budget of 2016 based on padding. Now it can't be like say one case when he gets from 2014 they say the EFCC won't reopen that particular one and the final one get to do with what happened for inside Ilasamaja and the fact say they see diesel inside some kind well when we say they say some landlords build. You self get the license now to call us in and contribute for this particular discussion. We don't throw our phone lines open. Call in to chook mouth based on say time not today and won't come out won't collect plenty calls. We go just make just 40 seconds. Just call in, just drop your point. Back to back, we'll continue the talk. They go. But quick one before the calls begin to enter. We could just discuss this Ilasamaja case and the fact that they talk say some landlords them then dig well, they connect and somehow diesel they enter and everything like that. I want to ask one question. Why be say for Nigeria when we see bad thing, not to even to just take advantage of them, then we always they want. Should I say poverty, hunger, or just say God create us today wicked for this country? Because I know say even some people when the internally displaced persons comes don't complain say some of the officials them that they work with some people for there to steal relief items go sell inside market. Why you be say even if for difficult situation we go look and say you be like say we make 2 naira from this particular thing and we go do am. Should I just say wickedness on our part on our poverty they cause am?
My brother, if you walk around this world, then go tell us Nigerians are one of the best people for all over the world. No be wickedness, na hunger. When people are hungry, then go do anything to make sure they chop. And then another thing is say, if we don't get law and we don't get how we go take the enforced laws, human being naturally go to look for way to meander. So it's natural. If you enter train for Obodo Yibo, unless the train reach bus stop, you no go door no go open. But you go see some people go the crowd near the door, which means if to say that door they open, Then go jump come out. What I'm trying to say is say for Nigeria here, we since our law no dey strong, people go dey as do like human beings, they go dey violate them. But if you say laws dey strong, nobody go violate them. But as for being bad or wicked, Nigerians no dey bad. Na normal thing.
But okay.
Well, I think this matter just to show us again, say, to see how deep and systemic corruption has gone far from the country. So this thing has been happening for some time now. So, and I think for some areas like Arepo, they don't catch some people before. So I think government just need to spread their net around all these areas where this thing they happen. The problem be say now bad orientation we don't do this country so now this same bad orientation we need to tackle and change. Some of these people, I'm not sure now hunger they push them because they be landlord. They get all these properties. So now then close their fence, chase their tenants away, start this business. They make oil money from oil well, direct from under their apartment. This one another level of oil well, not the one way that they give those billionaires. Very true. You know, so they created their own fashion. So this is to show you how deep corruption has gone. This is sabotage to national economy. So government need to really spread their net. There are still more of them. All these areas where all these pipeline are passing through, they need to monitor those areas.
We get Peter. Peter, they call us from Munshin. Good morning, Peter.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Peter.
Mr. Chukudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Peter.
I greet your guests, Thursday and Akin.
We did hear you. Continue.
In this, I want to contribute on my own anyway.
Okay.
Concerning the PDP
convention matter.
To me, what I see there is, for now, they are fighting for them to get their feet back to become a strong opposition for ruling party as well. But I think with this, the quarrel they are having inside themselves, they cannot be in a strong opposition. I wish there would be another party apart from PDP or APC.
Okay.
I would have loved that.
Very, very true. Oga Peter, thank you very much for this your
call.
important contribution. We get Chris in on the way for our telephone line. Oga Chris, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning,
Greet
Chris.
Oga Chris.
Yeah, what I want to contribute regarding the Chibok girls. That man on the white, he has said it all. You see, Bible talking, when Caleb, God tell us, say, the blood of your brother is crying, calling for vengeance. You see, what this government is suffering, if you think you can use the blood of other people to come into power, look, God is watching. I won't tell you, that's just my own contribution.
Oga Chris, thank you very much.
They are blood.
Oga Chris, we appreciate this your particular contribution. Thank you very, very much. Based on the way when time don't dey now, we no go fit take plenty other calls. We go just wrap the thing here for this discussion now. I go start with Oga Daniel. Oga Daniel, this particular issue now, when we don't discuss like this now, how you take things, say, moving forward for inside this Obodo Nigeria, if we join all these things together as a people, we will go feel hopeful based on this particular government we will get. Because 1 year and 3 months, it be like say Nigerians don't lose hope based on the promises when we say the APC, they give Nigeria before election. Quick one in 30 seconds.
That Oga Chris statement, that one a very deep one. I hope say our people at home go take time and meditate on that message. And for the Chibok girls, I think where we did now, the military and all the security agencies involved, say DSS and police and other people, they should work together. Make them share any intelligence where they get. Then we need to declare emergency in recovering these girls. So make we take them serious.
Okay.
Because if this government not do anything on time, I see this Chibok girls issue adding more to the wahala that will push them out of power.
So quickly, Ogezi, in the same this thing, we don't table all the issues, and waiting could be that final thing we will drop, at least based on the matter wey concern Abdulmumin Jubril on the way forward on top of this particular matter?
The way forward be say make we know the thing say na only for judiciary I been a legislator na him wahala dey. Nigeria need to be restructured. We need to make we look into this country, make we restructure and renegotiate Nigeria. See whether true if we want to continue with this Nigeria, on what basis will they continue? Because the way Nigeria is structured now wayo na him full.
Oga Eze and Oga Daniel, we appreciate the fact say two of una carry waka come inside our studio to come discuss all this action to them with us. Our people when they for us, we always dey talk and say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. Make we dey participate for the process of government. The year of don't look, the thing don't pass. Because if Nigeria better, now all of us is better for, and if it's spoil, our head is spoiled. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Una bye bye. Thank you very much. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.